In the previous video of the series about Ljubljana hidden corners, we visited Tivoli Pond. Today we are going to visit Ljubljana Botanical Garden, the oldest botanical garden in Southeastern Europe. The Ljubljana Botanical Garden is the central Slovenian botanical garden and one of the oldest cultural, scientific and educational organizations in Slovenia. Initially, the present botanical garden was called the Garden of Native Flora. It operated within the École Centrale High School, where it was used for medical study purposes. The institution is a member of the international network Botanic Gardens Conservation International and cooperates with more than 270 botanical gardens all across the world. At its opening on July 11, 1810, Marshal Auguste Marmont, the first governor of the Illyrian Provinces, planted a linden tree in the garden, which is still growing today. This is the Marmont linden tree. I didn't know we can thank flies for chocolate. Let's enter the tropical glasshouse. This section houses mainly tropical plant species requiring high air moisture levels and more or less even temperatures throughout the year. This is the glass house in Tivoli Park. This greenhouse will be for anyone who wants to get to know some plants from warmer, mainly tropical areas and some that grow on nutrition-poor soil. These are known as carnivores. They're not as scary as the name might suggest. They are entirely delicate plants that compensate for the lack of nutrients in the soil by catching an insect in different traps. Some plants grown in the botanical gardens can also be purchased here. Entrance to the greenhouse is free. That's all. Goodbye until next video, when we will visit Kosese Pond, a pond for the neighborhood.